dedication to the profession and art of healing. More than 4,000 students, resident fellows, faculty, and alumni are elected. Students, resident fellows, faculty, and alumni are elected each year since its founding in 1902, and there are over 200,000 members who have been elected to the society. Alpha Mega Alpha supports 13 fellowships, including a current student with the Carolyn Kukine Fellowship, our first recipient ever, grants, programs, and awards for medical students and physicians at its chapters. And it publishes a quarterly peer-reviewed journal called The Pharaohs, which provides non-technical medical subjects including history, ethics, national issues, personal essays, and poetry. Students today will receive gold, white, and green cords. They are available in the lobby if you have not picked up your cord. We will recognize our students who were elected as juniors first, and then subsequently those who were elected as seniors. Those students who were elected as juniors into the Gamma chapter in the spring of 2024, we would ask these students to please stand at their place as I call your name. Ivan Alvarez served as our vice president. Leanne Vincic Booth, Hannah Cowart, Thomas Ford, Michael Hebert, Amir Kaskas, Ryan Mackey, who served as the NRMP chair, Kyle Mayer, Liam Ordon, who served as president, Cameron Robichaux, Galen Shimkus, Tyler Tran, Maxwell Wagner, Sarah Martin, Aaron Shepard, who served as community service chair, and Christopher Stevens. Elected as seniors who were inducted into the fall of 2024 are Margaret Boston, Kristen Delgado, Abigail Green, Cameron Jones, Francesca Konefsky, Miranda Mallory, Matthew Norton, Connor Plaisance, Haley Tupper, Denzin Zing, James Bridges, Ashley Boone, Claire Crosby, Mason Favre, Kirsten Maddox, Raymond Oler, and Noah Young. Will you please give these individuals a round of applause?
So next, I would like to invite Dr. John Wagner from the Northwest Medical Society of Louisiana to present the next two awards. Go ahead.
Thank you, Dr. Pagitis. I'm Dr. John Wagner, the president of the Northwest Louisiana Medical Society this year. The Northwest Louisiana Medical Society, previously known as the Shreveport Medical Society, was established in 1849 to promote the advancement of medical education and elevate the standards of the medical practice in order to improve the health of the community it serves. In 1950, the society saw a need in our community for a medical school and played a role legislatively to bring LSU Health to Shreveport. Today I have the honor to present two Northwest Louisiana Medical Society awards to graduating seniors who exemplify the ideals and values of the Society's mission and that have achieved the merits of these respective awards. So our first award is the Northwest Louisiana Medical Society Honor Award. The award was established to recognize a graduating senior who exemplifies the qualities of the best doctor-patient relationship. They're nominated by medical students and selected by faculty. It consists of a commemorative plaque and a $500 monetary award. This year's recipient is Jillian Sandoz. Jillian will be joining the neurology residency program at the University of Cincinnati Medical Center in Cincinnati, Ohio. Our second award is the Patty W. Van Hook MD Memorial Award. The award was established to acknowledge the immeasurable impact and contributions of Dr. Patty Van Hook to the community. The award is granted to a graduating senior who is recognized for their outstanding community work, charitable activities, participation, and accomplishments in organized medicine. This award consists of a commemorative plaque and a $500 monetary award. This year's recipient is graduating senior Raymond Oler. Raymond will be joining the internal medicine residency program at the University of Texas at Austin Dell Medical School in Austin, Texas. Congratulations. Thank you.
Now I'd like to ask Dr. James Morris to come back to the stage to present the Gold Humanism Honor Society Class of 2025 inductees. Dr. Morris also serves as the advisor to the society. He will also then follow it with the Leonardtown Humanism Award in Medicine.
Gold Humanism is an organization that was formed for medical educators and inspiration for Gold Humanism Honor Society came from medical educators and residency program directors who expressed a need for a way to identify applicants to residency training programs who had outstanding clinical and interpersonal skills. The Robert Wood Johnson Foundation, the Berry Foundation, and an anonymous donor gave generously to launch Gold Humanism Honor Society. We are grateful for their crucial support. Since its inception in 2002, Gold Humanism has grown in influence to become a vital part of medical school and residency training program cultures throughout the United States. The Gold Humanism Honor Society recognizes students, residents, and faculty who are exemplars of compassionate patient care and who serve as role models, mentors, and leaders in medicine. The Gold Humanism members are peer-nominated and are the ones whom others say they want to take care of their own family. It is my distinct pleasure to ask these members to please rise. They will have received gold, purple, and green cords, and we would ask that they would stand at their seat. Ivan Alvarez, Leanne Vinjic Booth, Christian Bonner, Margaret Boston, Hannah Cowart, Charles Daniel, Annalisa Fangai, Mason Favre, Maria Kerrigan-Haupt, Michael Hebert, Christopher Honore, Amanda Hussein, Kirsten Maddox, Sarah Martin, Chizoba Muzeri, Jillian Sandoz, Ashlyn Shinost, Galen Shimkus, Tyler Tran, Noah Young, Francesca Weiss, and Dinzin Zing. Would you give them a round of applause? I serve as the co-advisor for the Gold Humanism Honor Society with Caitlin Busada. Dr. Busada is the main advisor for Gold Humanism, and it is my distinct honor today to present the awards for the Leonard Tao Humanism and Medicine Award. The Leonard Tao Award is developed by the Arnold P. Gold Foundation in 1991 to honor a student and a faculty member of the Gold Humanism Honor Society that embodies the qualities of integrity, excellence, compassion, altruism, respect, empathy, and service. This award this year consists of a certificate, and it is my distinct honor to award this award to a physician student senior today. This year's recipient will be joining the neurological surgery residency program at the University of Kentucky College of Medicine in Lexington, Kentucky. I would ask this student to please come forward to accept their award, and it is Maxwell Joseph Wagner. It is also my distinct pleasure to award the faculty recipient for the Leonard Tao Award. Unfortunately, this person is not here today because they have a significant, wonderful family event that occurred overnight. And so it is my distinct pleasure to announce the winner of this award. It is an individual who is an associate professor of clinical medicine in the Division of Pulmonary and Critical Care Medicine, Psychiatry, and Behavioral Medicine, and it is Dr. Sridhar Kulkarni. So we will congratulate him, and I promise I will get the award to him because he's my next-door neighbor. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Morris. So now we're going to proceed with the departmental awards. And the first one, I apologize, is not on your actual agenda. However, I have the distinct pleasure to welcome Dr. Jim Zai to present the award from the Department of Pathology.
Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dr. Jim Zai, the chair of Department of Pathology. However, this award is not from our department, from the College of American Pathologists, which is made up of 20,000 practicing pathologists in the country. And we do advocacy, we do guidelines, and this award is named Distinguished Medical Student Award. And the recipient is Mr. and Dr. to be soon, Troy Hafner. And the standard to pick award recipients is very high. The criteria is recognizing outstanding achievement, aptitude, and initiative in learning about pathology and participation in pathology-related activities. And we are very happy that he will join us July 1st as a new residency candidate and pathologist to be in a few years. Congratulations. And also, there is a check I will give to him personally. Oh, this one.
Okay, we're then going to follow it from the departmental awards that have been granted by Department of Emergency Medicine. And with that, I ask Dr. Paul Bracey to come forth and present the two awards.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Dr. Paul Bracey, the Associate Program Director of Emergency Medicine for our residency program here in Shreveport, and I have the distinct pleasure of providing two awards on behalf of the Department of Emergency Medicine. Each award is accompanied with a monetary award in the sum of $1,500 apiece that are made by donations of the emergency medicine faculty themselves. Their first award is the Faculty Award. This was established for a graduating senior who exemplifies the qualities of honesty, kindness, and hard work. The award consists of a certificate as well as the monetary award, and this year's recipient, I'm pleased to announce, is DeMarcus Drumgo. It appears DeMarcus has not joined us today, so I will be taking the check home with me, obviously. Okay, so moving onward, our second award is an award from the Society of Academic Emergency Medicine. This award is established to recognize the graduating senior who exemplifies academic excellence. The award consists of a certificate as well as the monetary award, and I am pleased to announce that this year's Society of Academic Emergency Medicine Award goes to Amber Goins. In addition to the certificate and monetary award, she will receive a one-year membership at SAEM, and her name will be published in a special edition of the journal. Congratulations and thank you.
Okay, then we're going to go on and proceed with the Department of Family Medicine awards. I asked Dr. Peter Seinberg, Dr. Juliana Fort, and Dr. Chase Herrera to come to the stage and present the awards.
Good afternoon. I'm Dr. Peter Seidenberg. I am the chair of the Department of Family Medicine, and I have the honor and distinction of presenting two awards for our department today. The first award is the Family Medicine Arthur T. Fort III MD Chairman's Award, and I have the honor of co-presenting this award with Dr. Juliana Fort, Professor of Psychiatry, who is the daughter of Dr. Fort. And so this award was established to recognize a senior medical student who has been outstanding in the field of family medicine and whose interests coincide with the highest ideals of family practice and overall patient care. The student must demonstrate an interest in pursuing a career in family medicine and have shown student leadership in family medicine activities. The award consists of a commemorative plaque and a check for $1,000. This year's recipient is Dr. Landon White. Dr. White will be pursuing his family medicine residency training at the University of Tennessee Health Science Center in Jackson, Tennessee.
Thank you. My dad was known for hugs. So. Congratulations. Okay. Oh,
That's the important stuff.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Look, okay.
The next award is the Michael O. Fleming, MD, Family Medicine Award. This award was established to recognize an MD senior who has been outstanding in the field of family medicine and who has been accepted into a family medicine residency program. The student must have shown active student leadership in family medicine activities and be in good standing with both the Louisiana Academy of Family Physicians and the American Academy of Family Physicians. The student will be awarded a plaque and a check of $500 from the LAFP. This year, for the first time ever, we actually have two award recipients, MD seniors Christian Bonner and Madeline Trailer. Both Christian and Madeline are staying with LSU. Christian will be at our new rural program at Franklin Medical Center in Winsboro, Louisiana. And Dr. Trailer will be here with us at LSU in Shreveport. Dr. Herrera?
Oh, go ahead. Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Chase Herrera. I'm the Rural Site Director, the Rural Tract Family Medicine Program at North Caddo Medical Center. Today, I'm here to give the award for the John Haynes Country Doctor Award. This award is, of course, in his memory. Dr. John Haynes practiced in Northwest Louisiana for approximately 50 years, doing full spectrum family medicine from birth to grave. Stuff that exemplifies a rural family medicine doctor, or is a country doctor, is a doctor that's flexible, able to adapt to a situation or her situation, and take care of their community appropriately, and constantly push the envelope, and learn new medical new medical knowledge to better take care of their patients. I was lucky enough to spend approximately 2 months with an individual that, to me, displayed all those characteristics, and that's who this award is going to today. So, Lacey Milder. She here today? We'll catch her next time.
Okay, we're going to now follow along with the Department of Internal Medicine, and I ask Dr. Bruno Alvarez-Consijo to present the awards for medicine.
Hi, everyone. My name is Bruno Alvarez, and I'm the Clerkship Director for Internal Medicine. I have the honor today to present 2 awards on behalf of the Department of Medicine for graduating seniors who have achieved the merits of their respective awards. The first award is going to be the American College of Physicians Award for Excellence in Medicine. This award was established to recognize a senior that exhibit academic excellence, specifically during the medicine clerkship. The award consists of a commemorative plaque and 500 monetary award. This year, recipient senior is going to be Christopher Honori, who will be completing his residency training at Baylor College of Medicine. I now invite Chris to join me at the podium. The second award is the Department of Medicine Award for Outstanding Performance. This award was established to recognize an MD senior who exhibit excellent academic and clinical performance, embodying the characteristics essential to excel in practicing internal medicine, both inside and outside the hospital. This award consists of a commemorative plaque and a 500 monetary award. This year's senior is going to be Kirsten Maddox, who will be completing her residency training at the University of Alabama at Birmingham.
We're going to move on to the Department of Neurosurgery, and with that, I would like to introduce and welcome Dr. Cristina Notariani to present the award. My apologies, we're going to have the chair of the department, Dr. Gunther Ganta, instead.
Sorry. No, it's our pleasure. My name is Barak Guthakonda. I'm serving as the chair of the Department of Neurosurgery, and I have the honor today of presenting the Donald Smith Award for Excellence in Neurosurgery. Many of the faculty in the room remember Dr. Smith. He was a longstanding neurosurgeon in our department. He recently retired about a year ago. This award has been in place since about 2 decades ago, so we're indebted to him for it. This was created to honor Dr. Smith, who established the first neurosurgical service at LSU in Shreveport way back in 1977. He's universally respected as a role model by residents and faculty alike. This award honors his legacy by recognizing a student who reflects his dedication and excellence in neurosurgery. This year it's his, but it could be his or hers in any given year. This award consists of a certificate and a check for $500. It's my pleasure to announce this year's recipient is MD Senior Max Wagner. Max will be completing his neurosurgical training at the University in Kentucky. We tried to keep him here, but we're very proud of him and happy for him, so congratulations, Max. Congratulations to all the students.
Okay, I would like to invite Dr. Timothy Hart to the podium. He will be presenting the H.E. Thompson MD Memorial Award for Excellence in Obstetrics and Gynecology.
Good afternoon, everyone. It's my pleasure to give the Horace E. Thompson MD Memorial Award for Excellence in Obstetrics and Gynecology today. This award was established in 1990 to honor Dr. Thompson, a pioneer of obstetrical ultrasound, changed the entire way we practice in obstetrics. Dr. Thompson was a native of Texas. He received his MD degree from the University of Colorado and completed postgraduate training at Johns Hopkins and Presby Hospital in Chicago. Dr. Thomas then served in the military. Upon completing his time in the service, Dr. Thompson began his academic career and remained on faculty at the University of Colorado for 20 years. In 1955, Dr. Thompson began his research in fetal ultrasound when the nation's first contact scanner was built at the University of Colorado. Not that long ago. He co-authored the first paper on the use of ultrasound in human pregnancy, which is now considered an essential tool in pregnancy management. Dr. Thompson later served as president of the American Institute of Ultrasound in Medicine from 1978 to 1980. Dr. Thompson became our chair here in the Department of Obstetrics and Gynecology in 1978. That was 1 year after I completed my residency. He retired after 10 years of service. He passed away in 2008 after a lengthy servitude career where he mentored many medical students, residents, and junior faculty. He was quite a gentleman. The recipient of this award this year for the excellence exhibited in obstetrics and gynecology is soon to be Dr. Jordan Bringdahl. I think we tried to keep her here too, but how are you? You're going to Jacksonville, right? Yeah. And she's headed to Jacksonville, Florida, Amelia Island or whatever else, right? The award is a plaque and a check for $500.
I would like to invite Dr. Langford from the Department of Ophthalmology to present the award in ophthalmology.
Good afternoon. I am Associate Professor Marlon Langford, Head of Research in the Department of Ophthalmology. I have the honor of presenting the 2025 John W. Henderson Excellence in Ophthalmology Award to a graduating senior medical student that has been recognized by not only our departmental chairman, Dr. William Byrd, but our faculty, as well as current residents, for being an outstanding senior medical student, for his academic achievements, hard work, compassion for his patients during their ophthalmology rotation in their mini block. Further, the award recognizes a senior medical student who exemplifies the altruistic qualities and dedication exemplified by the award namesake, Dr. John W. Henderson, who chaired the Department of Ophthalmology at the Mayo Clinic for 16 years before retirement and coming to serve here at our VA Medical Center. The award consists of a commemorative plaque and a check for $500. And it is my privilege to announce that the selection of this year's recipient is Noah Young. Noah will be remaining with us in his ophthalmology residency. Congratulations. Y'all, okay? And thank you.
I would like to invite to the podium Dr. Stephen Kautz to present the Department of Orthopedic Surgery Awards.
The Department of Orthopedic Surgery has two awards we present. The first is the Dr. David and Sharon Waddell Award for Orthopedic Excellence. This award recognizes a graduating medical student enrolled in the LSU School of Medicine, LSU Health Shreveport, who has matched into our orthopedic surgery residency. Dr. Waddell retired from a distinguished career as an orthopedic surgeon here in Shreveport and generously started this award a few years ago to recognize and celebrate our homegrown orthopedic talent. The recipient of this year's award is Cole DeBevick. I'm gonna highlight Cole just a little bit for a second. He was born and raised in Alexandria, received his Bachelor of Science in Biology from Louisiana Tech University. He's been the recipient of the Nathaniel Bernstein Scholarship Award in 2021. Student member of the American Association of Orthopedic Surgeons. Did a fellowship in orthopedic research for 1 year during his medical school training from July of 23 to June of 24 at the University of Mississippi Medical Center. Currently has approximately 10 publications or presentations pending in what spare time he has. He likes fly fishing and biking, as I understand. According to one of his mentors, Cole is a rare individual who possesses a significant work ethic and exceptional intelligence. He is one of the most humble and likable medical students. His warm personality is a favorite of patients, residents, and staff. And in his personal statement, he wrote, "I'm confident my life experiences and choices have placed me on a path that leads to healing others. I have worked hard to get to this point, although the process doesn't get any easier in the next chapter of my training. I believe I am equipped with the support and dedication to succeed in an orthopedic residency. And I believe that to be true and that you will not let us down here." Congratulations, Cole. Come on over here. Congratulations. Our second award is the Orthopedic Surgery Outstanding Student Award. This award is given to recognize a medical student at LSU Health Shreveport for his or her outstanding performance in orthopedic surgery. This award is only presented to a graduating senior who has rotated on the orthopedic surgery service. This year's recipient is Aaron Shepard. Aaron was born and raised in Benton, Louisiana, was a baseball player for Louisiana Tech and received his Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Engineering there. In 2018, he's been the recipient also of the Reginald and Ruby Slaughter Institutional Scholarship Award. He's a member of Alpha Honor Society. And of note, he is the first LSU Health student named to the Medical Research Scholars Program at the National Institutes of Health from July of 2022 to May of 2023. His primary project was the skeletal manifestations of hyperphosphatemic familial tumoral calcinosis. And he has already had or authored 11 publications and a book chapter, as well as numerous oral and poster presentations. According to his mentor at the NIH, they quote, "I have been in academic medicine for over 30 years. Aaron may be the best mentee I have worked with in my career. He has all the intellectual, character, and personal attributes that essentially guarantee his success." And in his personal statement, Aaron wrote, "I am determined to be a resident who works tirelessly, prioritizing both my patients and my team. I was fortunate to complete a research fellowship at the NIH, and I am deeply grateful for the opportunity to pursue a career focused on improving the lives of others as an orthopedic surgeon scientist. Of that, I have no doubt you will be successful. Congratulations."
I would like to invite Dr. Sherry Ann Nathan, who will be presenting the departmental awards in otolaryngology and head and neck surgery. Dr. Nathan.
Good afternoon, everyone, and firstly, congratulations to this graduating class. It's an honor and a privilege to present the Cheryl Clark Lyles Award for the best student in otolaryngology. So Dr. Clark was a PhD in our Department of Otolaryngology, and unfortunately, while studying head and neck cancer, succumbed to cholangiocarcinoma at a young age of 39. She was an absolutely wonderful mentor to all our students who rotated through our lab and really embodied just beautiful characteristics for a faculty member. And so we established an award in her name. And this award is to be given to a student who is not only a fantastic clinician, but also a researcher and has made a mark in our department. We had 3 great students. In fact, the other 2 have already been named in the AOA, I think Dr. Cascas and Alvarez. But the award this year goes to Dr. Ryan McKay. I get to call him doctor. I don't have to wait till tomorrow because he's getting his MD and PhD. But Dr. McKay, was absolutely outstanding in all his rotations. We could never stump him with any questions we asked him. He always had the answers, sometimes put our residents to shame. And I happened to be on his thesis committee, and he did a fantastic job, too, with his thesis. He's matched at the University of Iowa, and I welcome him to the podium. Congratulations. He gets a plaque and a $500 award. And I want to say he did this while raising a family. 2 beautiful kids and his wife are back there. Congratulations.
I would like to invite Dr. Ryan Jones to be presenting the 3 awards from the Department of Pediatrics. Dr. Jones.
Thank you. I'm Dr. Ryan Jones, professor of pediatric cardiology and one of the associate program directors for our pediatric residency. I have the honor of presenting 3 awards. The first is the Ralph Bauckham Jr. Award, which consists of a plaque and a check for $2,000. Dr. Bauckham was a pediatric cardiologist and one of the original members of the faculty at our Health Science Center. He was an able clinician, an excellent teacher, and an enthusiastic advocate for students and residents. For many years, he served as the chair of the admissions committee. He took an active and personal interest in helping students and residents achieve their goals. He always reminded students of the importance of the commitment to your profession and the need to balance work and family for a successful career. The Bauckham Award is given annually to a fourth-year medical student chosen primarily on the basis of merit as reflected by grades, performance on pediatric rotations, involvement in clinical or basic research, participation in volunteer activities, and other measures of academic or clinical skills and leadership roles deemed appropriate by the faculty. The recipient of this award this year is student Dr. Morni Modi. She'll be completing her residency at Stanford University. The Robert Lucas Award is an award to honor a pediatrician, or Dr. Lucas was a pediatrician who practiced over 50 years in Shreveport area. He was a leader in improving care for our children locally and throughout the state. He served as a teaching physician on the medical staff for LSU Medical School in Shreveport. This award consists of a plaque and a check for $1,000. It is sponsored by the Northwest Louisiana Pediatric Society and is given to the senior student who, in the opinion of the faculty, has shown the most interest, enthusiasm, and appreciation of the specialty of pediatrics. The recipient this year is Miranda Duhan Mallory. Congratulations. The Amy Ashford Yates Memorial Award is the next one that I get the honor of presenting. With me today is actually Amy Ashford Yates' family members who have helped sponsor this award. Amy was a graduate of the 2005 class who, in spite of her diagnosis of an aggressive brain tumor early in the senior year of her medical school class, was able to fulfill her dream of walking across the stage at graduation to receive her medical degree with her classmates. Unfortunately, she passed before being able to complete her residency in pediatrics. I actually was in the same residency program that she was joining, so I knew Amy very well. This award consists of a plaque and a check for $500, and the name of the awardee is placed on a plaque permanently displayed in the Department of Pediatrics. It is given to a senior student who, in the opinion of the faculty, demonstrates compassion, dedication to the care of pediatric patients, and a strong commitment to community service and/or missionary work that benefits the lives of children. This year's recipient is Emily Barnett Pendarvis.
I would like to invite Dr. Pamela McPherson from the Department of Psychiatry to present the 2 awards in the Department of Psychiatry. Dr. McPherson?
Good afternoon. It's my distinct pleasure to present 2 awards this afternoon from the Department of Psychiatry and Behavioral Medicine. These go to graduating seniors who've achieved the merits of the respective awards. Both come with a commemorative plaque and a check for $750. The first award is the BIC Award, which was established by the Louisiana Psychiatric Medical Association to recognize a senior who is matched into a psychiatry residency program and who has excelled both academically and clinically. It's my distinct pleasure to present this award this year to John David Sawyer, who will be joining us here in Shreveport. The second award is the William McBride Award. It was established to recognize a senior who's been outstanding in the field of psychiatry and behavioral medicine, and whose interests have coincided with the highest ideals of psychiatry, both clinically and academically. It's my pleasure to present the award this year to Madison Casey, who will be studying in Baton Rouge. Thank you. Congratulations.
I would like to invite to the podium Dr. Keith White to present the award from the Department of Surgery. Dr. White.
Welcome, everyone. I'd like to give a round of applause to the parents and the family and the supports today. So if the students could please help me in applauding your parents. Because I know that you lost as much sleep as some of the students did in studying and worrying about their care and where they were throughout the year. So congratulations to everyone. This is the best of the best, cream of the crop. Welcome here. I'm here to give and honored to give the Excellence in Surgery Award to a student who I think epitomized the surgical profession. You don't have to be just the best operator, the best sewer, the best cutter, the best decision maker, but you do have to have compassion, you have to have persistence, you have to have scholarship, and you can never let up the grind day in and day out. And this student came to me when he was a freshman. I'll never forget, it was an off-campus event. Came to me, it was rainy, it was late, I think they had been drinking beer, but came to me and said, look, I got to be a surgeon, I want to be a surgeon. So I said, okay, great. I heard a lot of that night. Some of them came the next year. He came every year, said the same thing. Continued writing papers, presented papers locally, regionally, and nationally. So this young man persisted and is now part of a vascular surgery, integrated surgery program at the University of Arkansas. He's going to be very successful, and I would love to recruit him back here for me in a few years. Jacob Campbell, I hope you're here. If you're not, I'll bring the money to you. Jacob, there he is. You remember that night, Jacob? I remember it. I remember when you were there, and you were there for 4 years, so thank you.
Yes, sir.
This award consists of a $1,000 check and a nice plaque that you can put on here, and let's put some dust on it like I have to. Come on over here. Thank you.
I would also now like to invite to the podium Dr. John Mata, who will be presenting the last departmental award, which is actually Department of Urology. So Dr. Mata.
Thank you, Dr. Pajitas. This is the Robert K. Womack Memorial Award. He was the chairman of the department in 1947. As many of you know, a lot of the residencies here were in operation before the school opened in the early 1970s. This award is given to the fourth-year medical student who exemplifies excellence during their time on the urology rotation and consists of a plaque and a monetary award. He is an outstanding graduate of this class and will begin his urology residency here at LSU Shreveport in July. Please join me in congratulating the recipient of this award, Nicholas Slusher from Ruston. You may know his parents, Dr. Slusher, in the Ruston area, pediatrician and family practice, and it's great to have you on board, Nicholas.
Okay, so that concludes the departmental awards. So now we're going to actually proceed to 3 different types of awards. The first ones are the awards that are given by the School of Medicine, and I would like to ask Dr. James Morris to come back to the podium to present the first 2.
Thank you. I'm Assistant Dean for Graduate Medical Education and VA Affairs and the Designated Institutional Official for LSUHS Shreveport. And I have the honor to present 2 School of Medicine awards to 2 graduating physician seniors who have achieved the merits of these respective awards. The first award is given in memory of an original faculty member and his wife, and is the only award that is given to a faculty member and his spouse. Dr. Adrian Reed was the first chair of anatomy at LSUHS Shreveport, and for the students, you will recognize his name and his picture because it is the picture in the anatomy lab of the individual who is pointing to a item on the skeleton, and he has an apron on and it's reversed and the name is reversed. So if you remember that picture in the anatomy lab, that is Dr. Reed. Mrs. Reed was known for also bringing cookies to every student during their anatomy exams. So she would bring cookies to every student. So the Dr. and Mrs. Adrian Reed Memorial Award was initiated in 1988 by students and friends of Dr. Reed. The first presentation was to a member of the class of 1988. And I must say that I am a bit partial to this award because I received this award in 2003. This is an award that honors the graduating senior who best exemplifies those skills and attributes so admired in Dr. Adrian Reed. What are those attributes? Physician, scientist, teacher, and friend. The award consists of a commemorative plaque and a $200 monetary award. This year's recipient will be pursuing a research fellowship at the Johns Hopkins Brady Urological Institute in Baltimore, Maryland. Will Aaron, Lee, and Mayu please come forward? The second award that I will be presenting is the J.M. Marion, MD, Compassion and Spirit of Osler Award. J.M. Marion, Compassion and Spirit of Osler Award was established to honor Dr. J.M. Marion, former Associate Dean for Academic Affairs and a mentor and friend to me, and a mentor and friend to many at this institution. It was established by Dick and Nancy Jane Seal to honor the qualities that embodied and exemplified by Dr. J.M. Marion. In particular, the super-personal interaction, compassion, and overreaching effort to ensure hope and dignity to patients at their most vulnerable times and their families. As Dr. Marion is also an expositor of the ideals of Sir William Osler, the award also encapsulates those qualities exhibited by the writings of Sir William Osler. This award consists of a commemorative plaque and a $1,000 monetary award, but it also includes lessons. And these lessons are a copy of the quotable Osler, over 800 quotes from Sir William Osler, and the library of Sir William Osler. But also so that the recipient will always know the incredible teaching attributes of Dr. J.M. Marion. A copy of his last Grand Rounds lecture is provided to the student so that they may experience the teachings of Dr. Marion. This year's recipient we've already met. He will be joining a neurosurgical residency at the University of Kentucky, and it is Maxwell Wagner.
I would like to invite Lisa Babin to present the Reed Chadwick Memorial Award from the School of Medicine.
Good afternoon, everyone. Students, I know this is a happy day for you, but we are always sad to see a group of students go, so it is nice to see you assemble together your next to last time, and we look forward to further celebration with you tomorrow. Today, it's my honor to present the Reed Chadwick Memorial Award to a senior whose actions during medical school align with the wishes of Reed's family. The Reed Chadwick Memorial Award was established in 2018 as an endowed award by the family of Reed Chadwick, who was tragically impacted by prescription opioids. Chad's family is deeply committed to educating individuals on the negative impact of opioids and in the expansion of non-opioid offerings in pain management. This award is granted to a senior who's been engaged and involved with research in addiction medicine, as well as showing leadership in raising awareness and/or funding for addiction disease with an expressed desire to make an impact in addiction medicine during their career. The award consists of a commemorative plaque and a $1,000 monetary award and is being bestowed this year to Chet Brazil.
I have the distinct honor to present the last award from the School of Medicine, and that is the Lewis Gottlieb Scholar Award. The Lewis Gottlieb Award was established in 1973 to honor Dr. Edgar Hall, who was the first dean of the Louisiana State Medical School in Shreveport. This award is granted to the MD senior with the qualities of leadership, respect for teaching, and excellence in both medical education and patient care. These were all attributes that were exemplified in the career and life of Dr. Hall. The award consists of a commemorative plaque, $500 monetary award, and this year's recipient of the award is Christian Baker. Christian will be joining the Emergency Medicine Residency Program at LSUHS Shreveport. Christian, please join us. Well, I know he's going to be honored, so we're going to move on to the remainder of the program. So we're actually going to move on to the LSUHS Shreveport Foundation Awards. There are actually several awards in this category, and I'm going to call Dr. Keith White to the podium to present the first two foundation awards.
Kevin, thank you for letting me present these first two awards, because you know exactly what these men mean to me. First is the John C. McDonnell Award. I hold his professorship at the Department of Surgery, and it's truly an honor. I think I'm the only one old enough to have Dr. McDonnell who have trained me, and he did well. But Mr. Muslow, or Dr. Muslow, has the next award, also had a huge impact on my career and several people in this audience. Dr. McDonnell was from Mississippi and trained at Tulane and went to Buffalo, but returned to Louisiana, was on faculty at Tulane, and in 1977 joined as a chairman of surgery here in Shreveport. I just can't even start to tell you what he's done to this institution and for this institution. Not just Department of Surgery, but the entire picture, the entire milieu of why people came here, why they went from New Orleans to Shreveport, why this medical school was so important. He was our first independent chancellor. Before that, we sent our money, our leadership down to New Orleans, and Dr. McDonnell was our first leader here as dean and chancellor. He really was a scholar, a leader, a humanitarian. He could get things done through the legislature, through academics, and through whatever means he had to make this school better, and he did in every way. He's the reason I came back here. I had offers at Michigan and the East Coast, but I decided to come back here because of his leadership, and I was glad I did. This award is a commemorative plaque and a $1,000 monetary award. It's going to go to Tyler Tran. Likewise, Dr. Muslow, I knew, and he also recruited me back here. He made the call, the second call. Dr. McDonald called me first, Dr. Muslow called me second, and there was no question he was not going to take no for an answer. Ms. Muslow, I'd like to recognize you today. Thank you for coming today. You've been here, I don't know how often. Dr. Muslow it was a superb physician, number one. He built all of his practice around not only the exemplary bedside manner that he manifested, but also back then you had to use your stethoscope and use your hands to make the diagnosis. We didn't have the exquisite scans that we do now. But he had something more than that. He was a leader. He was very well respected in Shreveport. He made connections. Matter of fact, he recruited Dr. McDonald here from Tulane. And that was a huge win for us. But Dr. Muslow meant a lot to me, meant a lot to this institution, and his visionary award lives on through us. This is a commemorative plaque with a $1,000 monetary award, and it's going to Leanne Vincig Booth.
I would like to invite Kevin Flood to the podium, the CEO and president of our foundation, to present the remaining awards.
Thank you, Dr. Pagitas. And again, I'll just echo some words that were said earlier. Just congratulations to all of the students and the families. We have the honor at the foundation of working with all of the alumni who have graduated from the medical school over the many years and the community members that support this school. And so it just really gives us great pride on days like today to see the excellence that we have at the medical school when we go out and talk to the community about all the great things that happen here. I had the honor of presenting 4 awards that to graduating MD seniors that have achieved the merits of their respective awards. The first one is the Aaron Selber Jr. Leadership Award. This award was established by the foundation in November of 2004 in appreciation of the years of service Mr. Selber devoted to strengthening LSUHS through both his service to the Chancellor's Advisory Committee and to the Foundation Board. He was a founding member of the LSUHS Shreveport Board. It is awarded to a medical student who exhibits strong leadership skills through medical and community service. The award consists of a commemorative plaque and a $1,000 monetary award. This year's recipient will be joining the Emergency Medicine Residency Program at LSU School of Medicine in Baton Rouge. It is MD Senior Tyler Tran. Next up is the Ascension Delgado Smith Excellence Award. Mrs. Smith was the founding principal of Caddo Magnet High School and a longtime board member of the LSU Health Shreveport Foundation. I've known Ms. Smith for 15 years, and she has been the shining example of someone that consistently strives for the best in everyone and everything that she's associated with. We are so glad that she is here with us today. Ms. Smith, if you want to wave your hand, and so everyone can recognize you right here. She's the example of what it means to be a community servant here in Shreveport. We are grateful for her generosity in funding this award, which is given to a senior medical student who is widely recognized for his or her display of sensitivity and compassion to patients and fellow students, and demonstrates integrity and ethics in scholastic and personal endeavors. This award consists of a plaque and a $1,000 monetary award. This year's recipient will be joining the otolaryngology residency program at the Icahn School of Medicine at Mount Sinai in New York City. It is MD Senior Amir Kasakas. All right, the third award is a Don and Ruby Horton Generosity of Spirit Award. Don and Ruby established a fund at the LSU Health Sciences Foundation to create this award. Mr. Horton also served on the LSU Health Foundation for many years. He served with Ascension while she was on the board. And again, he was both an educator here in Shreveport as well as a businessman, and was, again, a true servant leader here in the community. The award recognizes a medical student who, in addition to actively seeking learning opportunities, exhibits leadership, generosity, and philanthropic spirit through volunteer service at LSU Health Shreveport. The award consists of a plaque and a $1,000 monetary award. This year's recipient will be joining the Interventional Radiology Residency Program at the University of Texas Medical School in Houston after completing a surgical internship year at Baylor College of Medicine in Houston. This year's recipient is MD Senior Christopher Stevens. Okay, and our fourth award is the Drs. Alice and Joe Hollaback LSU Founder Award. This award was established in 2009 as an endowed award by the children of Drs. Alice and Joe Hollaback. I feel like I know Dr. Joe and Dr. Alice because I've known their daughter for many, many years now, and that is Martha Fitzgerald. Martha is right here with us today as well. Martha. Martha's parents weren't from Shreveport, but when they got here, they saw the opportunity and the need for a medical school here in Shreveport, and were some of the first doctors in town back in the 1950s to start the process and to see it through for us to have a medical school here in Shreveport. So we are honored to honor them with this type of award. The award recognizes a senior student who, in addition to exhibiting excellent diagnostic and treatment skills in primary care, practices to a high degree both ethical and spiritual care for patients. The award consists of a plaque and a $1,000 monetary award. This year's recipient will be joining the pediatric residency at Our Lady of the Lake Regional Medical Center in Baton Rouge. It is MD Senior Miranda Mallory.
Okay, we're almost done. We're down to the last two awards. So I have the distinct honor to present the two remaining awards, which are based on academic achievement for all our graduates for the class of 2025. There are two awards, and I can tell you they were neck and neck. I think I had to do the math several times to make sure. They were fractions away from each other. So the first award is the Faculty Award for Academic Achievement. It is given to the MD senior that has achieved the highest academic merit of the MD program through the entire duration. They have the highest cumulative grade point average in the 4 years of the program. The award comes with a commemorative plaque, a $1,000 monetary award, and this year's MD recipient is Aaron Shepard. Aaron will be joining the orthopedic surgery residency program at the University of Florida College of Medicine in Gainesville, Florida. So the second award and the last award of the program is the Chancellor's Award, and that is granted to the MD senior who's actually achieved the second highest cumulative grade point average in the MD program for the 4 years. The award also consists of a commemorative plaque and a $1,000 monetary award, and this year's MD senior is Michael Hebert. Michael will be joining Michael will be joining neurology residency program at the Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center in the Harvard System in Boston, Massachusetts. So before we end the ceremony, I just want all of us to rise and really applaud all of our graduates, the family, the faculty, and staff who really worked hard and got all of us here together. Graduates, we are so proud of you. So this concludes our program. Thank you for everybody for attending, and I believe that you are all welcome. We'd love you to see you at the reception, and we'll see all of you as well tomorrow.